Hello students, this is exercise number 27 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine August 2021 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Honorable Speaker Sir, under Inclusive Development for Aspirational India, I will cover agriculture and allied sectors, farmers' welfare and rural India, migrant workers and labor, and financial inclusion. Our government is committed to the welfare of farmers. The MSP regime has undergone a sea change to assure price that is at least 1.5 times the cost of production across all commodities. The procurement has also continued to increase at a steady pace. This has resulted in increase in payment to farmers substantially. In case of wheat, the total amount paid to farmers in 2013-2014 was rupees 33,000 crores. In 2019-2020, it was rupees 62,000 crores, and even better, in 2020-2021, this amount paid to farmers was rupees 75,000 crores. The number of wheat growing farmers that were benefited increased in 2020-21 to 43.36 lakhs as compared to 35.57 lakhs in 2019-20. For paddy, the amount paid in 2013-14 was rupees 63,000 crores. In 2019-2020, this increased to rupees 1,41,000 crores. Even better, in 2020-2021, this is further estimated to increase to rupees 1,72,000 crores. The number of farmers benefited increased from 1.24 crores in 2019-20 to 1.54 crores in 2020-21. Early this year, Honorable Prime Minister had launched Swamitva scheme. Under this, a record of rights is being given to property owners in villages. Up till now, about 1.80 lakh property owners in 1,241 villages have been provided cards. I now propose during financial year 21-22 to extend this to cover all states and UTs. To provide adequate credit to our farmers, I have enhanced the agricultural credit target to rupees 16.5 lakh crores in FY22. We will focus on ensuring increased credit flows to animal husbandry, dairy, and fisheries. We are enhancing the allocation to the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund from rupees 30,000 crores to rupees 40,000 crores. The Micro Irrigation Fund, with a corpus of rupees 5,000 crores, has been created under NABARD. I propose to double it by augmenting it by another rupees 5,000 crores. To boost value addition in agriculture and allied products and their exports, the scope of Operation Green Scheme, that is presently applicable to tomatoes, onions and potatoes, will be enlarged to include 22 perishable products. Around 1.68 crores farmers are registered and rupees 1.14 lakh crores of trade value has been carried out through e-NAM. Keeping in view the transparency and competitiveness that e-NAM has brought into the agricultural market, 1,000 more mandis will be integrated with e-NAM. The Agriculture Infrastructure Fund would be made available to APMCs for augmenting their infrastructure facilities. I am proposing substantial investments in the development of modern fishing harbors and fish landing centers. To start with, five major fishing harbors: Kochi, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradeep, and Petua Ghat will be developed as hubs of economic activity. We will also develop inland fishing harbors and fish landing centers along the banks of rivers and waterways. Seaweed farming is an emerging sector with potential to transform the lives of coastal communities. It will provide large-scale employment and additional incomes. To promote seaweed cultivation, I propose a multi-purpose seaweed park to be established in Tamil Nadu. We have launched the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme, through which beneficiaries can claim their rations anywhere in the country. Migrant workers in particular benefit from this scheme. Those staying away from their families can partially claim their ration where they are stationed, while their family in their native places can claim the rest. I am happy to inform you that One Nation, One Ration Card plan is under implementation by 32 states and UTs, reaching about 69 crore beneficiaries. That's a total of 86% beneficiaries covered. The remaining four states and UTs will be integrated in the next few months. To further extend our efforts towards the unorganized labor force, migrant workers particularly, I propose to launch a portal that will collect relevant information on gig, building, and construction workers, among others. This will help formulate health, housing, skill, insurance, credit, and food schemes for migrant workers. We will conclude a process that began 20 years ago with the implementation of the four labor codes. For the first time globally, Social Security benefits will extend to gig and platform workers. Minimum wages will apply to all categories of workers, and they will all be covered by the Employees State Insurance Corporation. Women will be allowed to work in all categories and also in the night shifts with adequate protection. To further facilitate credit flow under the scheme of Stand Up India for SCs, STs, and women, I propose to reduce the margin money requirement from 25% to 15%.